Hi guys, it's Steve from Bambers again. So as per yesterday's video where I said the next person to ring up and buy one of the dress competition packs can tell me what song they want me to sing. Just as a little bit of a light-hearted cheering everyone up in the current circumstances. We got a lady who rang up and ordered a dress pack this morning who wanted to remain anonymous, and she was the first one. We've had a few more, and she wants me to sing The Green Green Grass of Home by Elvis.
John Jones.
Okay, so I'm going to do it. I'm not going to do it today, I'm going to do it on Saturday because I want to just look over the words and that, etc. So that I can do as good a job as I can. It'll still be a scream because it just will be a thing. So I got another request from another lady saying, what are you doing wearing a t-shirt, Steve? We want to see you in a suit. Here we go. Now by the by, so I looked through the wardrobe this morning and I found my father's old jacket, which it turns out he'd never worn. It's brand new and it's still got the label on it. Austin Reed, the Westminster. I don't know if you can see that out.
I can zoom in. Hang on.
So there you go. Now, next thing. Let's go downstairs. So, one of the questions we keep getting asked just lately while everyone's off and at home is people are ringing up and they're saying, what's the best machine for me to buy to start sewing on and do some projects?
Well, confined to quarters.
Well, confined to quarters.
Yeah.
Well, it's quite easy to answer that because it's the same answer as in normal times. You can get very, very cheap machines such as these. These three brothers here, which are fine for the price. They start at £89, but they're, you know, very, very lightweight and will only cope with sewing very, very lightweight fabrics.
What they're for is the daughter who expresses an interest in sewing but may take up synchronised swimming 6 weeks, 6 months later. So we have these machines, low cost, as low as we're prepared to go, still, you know, reasonable quality, but they're not the machine that you're going to buy and keep for a number of years. Back to you, Stevie.
Okay, I said all that without moving my mouth.
Yeah.
Right, so this way.
Cheeky swine.
So the best machine without spending a fortune that is a proper sewing machine with a proper alloy chassis is the Brother NV15.
Yeah.
Yeah? Now, it's very easy to operate. It's got everything on it that you need. Every time you stop sewing, it stops with the needle at the top. Hit the needle down button, which is great for turning corners. It's also got a great speed control on it. So if I put that all the way down to nothing and press the foot control all the way down, it will only sew slowly. And you can set your favourite slow speed so it won't run away with you if you're doing something tricky. The other great thing about it is it's got this single dial where it selects all the stitches, and whichever stitch you select, 3-step zigzag, it sets the length and width for you. So it takes out all the guesswork. Now if you want to adjust that, you can do, but in most instances you just set the stitch that you want and go, and it's the right width and length. Yeah, but the important thing about this machine is this. Here's some denim. There's 2, 4, there's 8 thicknesses of denim. Now it's got an extra lift on the presser foot. It's going to select a normal straight stitch. Yeah, now at the slowest speed you can usually hear if the machine's struggling. Let's speed it up a little bit. So that's feeding through 8 layers of denim. This is what you can't do on the very cheap machines. And we're going to run off 8 layers of denim onto a single thickness of organza. Now, tension on the denim is great. Single thickness of organza. You get one of those brand new in a box with 3-year warranty from ourselves. We've got them in stock. We can send it straight out to you. £229. It's normally £239. We're doing them at £229. That's a machine that you can have that you won't grow out of, that as well as being easy to operate and great for beginners, will also cope with any type of fabric, and it will do any type of dressmaking, soft furnishing, repairs. It's the best selling machine we've got. Okay guys, we won't be doing a video tomorrow or Friday. Our next video now will be Saturday, when whatever video it is will also be my rendition of Elvis. See you guys.
Nice one, Stevie.